What up YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are at Hands-On Detailing's grand opening. You guys have seen Caleb on the channel plenty of times. He's come over and detailed my F80 as well as F80 Danny's F80. But yeah, we are here. He actually just got a shop. I've been promoting it a lot on Instagram and we are finally here. It is finally grand opening day. Your boy is stoked. I'm super happy for my boy. Shout out to Caleb, Hands-On Detailing. Make sure you guys follow him, support him on his journey. He's like 20 years old. He's killing it. He has his own shop now. So we're going to take you along for the ride. He's having a little meet here. We got thousands in the house.
You better go grab you some free stuff, man. I just got me a free bottle of Hydro.
What is this? What is this?
It's a Hydro. It's like ceramic.
Oh, Car Pro. The nice stuff.
Bro. Good.
We got thousands. We got the F80. And yeah, we're going to go check out Caleb's shop.
You'll see. It's sick. It's pretty much how I would set my stuff up. Really? If I ever like built something like this.
Hell yeah.
Like just in terms of the color and lighting.
Yeah.
But here, I'm gonna see your reaction when we walk in. Let's see Viet and Danny's reaction to the shop.
Let's see it. Damn. Side Hustle Studio. This is crazy, dude. Look at that car in there. And look at this. I forget. He told me one time. What engine is this? Dude, this is a table, guys. This is a fucking table. I'll ask him again, but dude, that shit's dope. Wow. Oh, it's an AMG motor, I think. Wow. So you walk in, you have the entrance right here. What do you think? This is insane.
Sick.
Yeah.
I think it's sick. I think the lighting and everything is really cool. I really love the photo shoot area back there.
Yeah, you guys. We'll get there.
And,
that shit looks sick.
Looks absolutely amazing.
Hell yeah. It's like, I like how black, I mean, you know me, I like black out everything. And so this is definitely my style and how dark it is.
Absolutely.
And you walk in, you got a sick lobby. You got a little entrance right there, bathroom. But this table is just dope.
Well, just wait till you see the
shit's badass.
the special room.
Oh, the special room?
Yeah.
Nice. All right. So we have the studio.
You got a black toilet.
We gotta black out everything. You guys see the theme going on. This is sick. Table made out of wheels. A Chick-fil-A. Let's go. We got Chick-fil-A.
They got sandwiches.
We got drinks. Hell yeah. This is sick. Wow. They got a freaking... This is crazy. We got a freaking projector in here, bro. What? This is insane. Oh my god. This is me and Danny's favorite room right here.
Oh my god.
Dude.
Get me in there.
I was literally talking about this while making the paddle shifting video.
That's what I want, man.
Look at this rig. I was talking to Caleb. I think it's like a 10K rig, which is insane, bro. This is crazy. Look at the carbon fiber helmet. So yeah, we got a nice, insane computer setup you guys can see right here. And then look at this sim rig. This is nuts.
This is the aftermarket wheel. This is the more expensive wheel.
This is crazy.
Like the standard one that's
Talk about a man cave and a half in here.
Is this on the PS5?
Yo, yo.
What's up? How's it going?
Subscribe back on the channel. This place is crazy, bro.
Yeah, Side Hustle Studio.
This place is crazy. And dude, look at this wall of detailing products that Caleb has to work with now. He has Geon, PNS. This is so sick. Look at this workstation, it's super nice. All the towels and accessories that you can need, spray bottles. This is baller as fuck. The projector is probably the craziest part. Like, that's crazy. Like, there's no better way to watch football on Sunday than a big ass projector. This is wild. It's so clean and organized up there. Got some more of his products over here. Danny, what do you think?
Love the blacked out look, the projector, this lighting. Like, look at the lighting.
Bro, imagine shooting some fucking pics and reels in here.
Right? The most craziest pictures in here, easily.
And right here we have a GT, AMG GT or I don't think it's a GTR, but matte black, satin black.
It is.
No way.
It is.
Satin black GTR AMG.
Wow.
Yo, look at the lighting in here. Holy yo. So to preface this, guys, this is a mix between Caleb's detail shop as well as like a studio for pictures and videos and commercials like that. So it is Side Hustle Studios and Hands-On Detailing. So shout out to Caleb, man. This space is just epic. And I need a light like this in my garage. That is freaking dope. This lighting right here, so crazy. Like, look at that. I wouldn't even go anywhere for pictures or reels. I would just shoot here every week.
Really? Imagine if those could change colors.
Literally out of like a car commercial or something. This is crazy. All right, before I take you guys back outside, I just wanted to give you guys a close-up of the competition. AMG GTR. Super clean, V8, twin turbo. You got the satin black. This thing is clean. Super clean. Would I take one? Probably not, but yo, this shit's sexy, can't deny. Yo, the man, the myth.
What's up, man?
Yo, but congrats to you, man. Follow my boy and support his new journey and get a detail. What's up, YouTube? Just want to interrupt today's video to bring you guys a message from our channel sponsor, and that is Simply Carbon Fiber. All right, as most of you guys know, Simply Carbon Fiber has been a longtime sponsor of my channel, and I just wanted to show you guys 3 of the products that I use on a daily basis. I have my 2 money clips right here. This one you guys can see is forged carbon fiber. This is one that I'm currently using, but I switch back and forth. Here is the original gloss carbon 2x2 weave that matches my iPhone case as well. Again, this is legit carbon fiber, just like the spoiler on my F80 M3. So yeah, I absolutely love these products from Simply Carbon Fiber. I use them, again, on a daily basis, and they're catered towards car enthusiasts like you and me. And right now on their website, everything is actually 30% off until Christmas. So make sure you guys do me a favor. Go ahead and check out the links in the description and get yourself something, whether it be for you or a significant other, just in time for the holidays. These would be great gifts for car enthusiasts. So make sure you guys do me a favor, hit the links in the description. And I want to thank Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back into this one. Longtime Instagram friend.
What up?
We're about to do a reveal on his coated car from Hands On Detailing, but not only that, we got some new shoes to show them.
Oh yeah, HREs.
HRE gang! Tell people what you got.
HRE Classic 300s, 20 by 9.5, 20 by 11.5 in the rear.
Dude.
Broadway static coils. I'm still waiting on my front lip and side skirts, but there eventually.
These are freaking sexy, dude.
Get it.
These look so good, especially on the Secure. See, on the 300s, the finish that I previously had looks so much better. Like, this looks so clean, dude. And the fitment is crazy, yeah. Make sure you guys follow my boy, Brandon. We got F30 Skirt doing what he does best. But let me show you guys the lineup we got here. His F80 is so clean. It's so cool meeting people from Instagram, putting a face to their build. A couple people here have met me or known me from YouTube. So it's pretty cool, obviously, finally getting to meet them. We have a, I would say, wrapped purple M4. Moving right along, we have a beautiful Yas Marina F80. You guys can see the rotiforms, the GTS hood. He actually does YouTube as well. Make sure you guys check him out on Instagram and YouTube. His channel name is right there, Driven2. Make sure you guys support him. Check out the rotiforms though. Damn, son. And his fitment, hella clean, hella clean. You guys already know who this is. The man himself, F30 Skirt, Kyler. Sunset orange, metallic, looking flawless. Per usual, support the boy. It's so good to finally get out and hang out with the BMW homies again. It's been quite some time since I've actually hung out with them, so it's always good to see them and their BMWs, of course. Moving down the line, got a clean F30, and then we got Chris. My boy Chris just pulled up with the M4 CS, F82 guy right there. It's Porsche though, it's fire. But these though are insane. This thing is beautiful. Got a 911 with the Aquaprovic exhaust. Got another classic Cobra right here. The Range, the F80, a couple classics. Show you guys the BMW lineup down here. We got thousands in the house. I love the ski box on the F22. E46, a Lime Rock M3, but this thing is super clean on the VS Works. We got a frozen M8. We got my boy Nick from Tampa with the clean F82. He actually bought my old exhaust tips on the HRE flow forms. Represent. So yeah, these are my old tips. He cleaned them up. They don't even look like the same tips anymore, and they look so good on his car. They're rocking the no spoiler look too. I think it looks hard. Glad they went to a good home. Got a G82 and an M5 competition. All right, so I was talking to some people, so I'm running out of daylight, so I apologize, but you guys should know this car if you have been on my channel for quite some time. This is Moto Gear TV. Make sure you guys subscribe and follow them on YouTube and Instagram. Shout out to Kirk and Mark. This is Kirk's beautiful OG M2 on his Vossen wheels. It looks super clean. You guys already know Moto Gear TV. One of the cleanest OG M2s in the Central Florida area. Big ups to them. We got a beautiful E92 M3 right here. Beautiful F80 M3 from my friend Curtis that I just met from YouTube. He is a longtime subscriber. He said he came up to me. Again, my favorite part about doing YouTube and Instagram, if you would consider that, is putting faces to builds, meeting you guys in person. I always feel so bad because I don't know like how these people know me, whether it's through Instagram or YouTube. So I really want to remember either their face or their IG handle. That's the best way I can do it. So shout out to Curtis. He said that he has been watching my videos for a long time. And you know, through those videos, he actually got an F80 M3 himself. So big ups to you, man. Love the build. I think he has some big plans for it. And again, it was great to meet him. We got a M2 comp. We got a G80. We got Raymond's G80 M3 right here. Make sure you guys follow him. Shout out to WTF Motorsports. Always the best in Orlando. And I wanted to come over here to show you guys a couple more BMWs, but also this Porsche. This thing is crazy. We got the neon yellow rims with the big wing. Beautiful GT3 RS. Definitely a unique build. You got the Cosmo Wanda, pink and green on the other side. We got this M4 Yas Marina. This thing is sick, actually. F82 Bassi, because he has a full carbon fiber hood that you guys can probably not see. And then he also has the carbon fiber dim fenders, I believe, which actually is a very unique touch. You don't see that on a lot of cars, so love that. JC with his new M2. You already know who that is. Chris Marina with his M4 CS. And then we have F82 guy right here with his Laguna Seca M4. I think he just got this as well. Cool guy, talk to you on Instagram all the time. To finish it off, another M2 and another E90. Big ups to Caleb. I think this was a great turnout for his grand opening. But let's go back inside and see what we can find. All right, it's getting dark outside, you guys can see. I'm going to go try to go film some B-roll. We got Chris, Danny in the background. Everybody loves the yellow DRLs. Had to leave them on. They look sick. All right, the man, the myth, the legend. My camera is about to die, but Caleb, congrats to you and your new shop, man. Like this space in itself is just beautiful. I'm happy for you, the young entrepreneur, killing it, doing your thing. You have anything to say to the people?
So I appreciate all the support and everything. I see all the videos that we do. You guys are just so loving, and I appreciate it. If you're ever here, stop by. Address is 8026 Sunport Drive, Unit 306. Feel free to stop by whenever you want.
Hell yeah, hit him up on Instagram. You guys will schedule something with him. He's gonna be a busy man come time for Invasion, but you guys see the space. I say it's a dream come true, man.
Sure is, man.
It's only the beginning, baby.
Yep.
All right, we out. Wow. All right, we are back in the garage right now. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I had a blast at Caleb's open house or grand opening. Can't wait to go back there and get some more content with him. I think everybody was super happy for him. Again, make sure you guys support Caleb. Make sure you guys give him a follow and schedule any detailing, ceramic coating. He's also going to be offering some more stuff in the future. So yeah, big things coming for him. This is only the beginning. Super happy for him. But that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We have some big mods. I don't know if you guys can see in the garage. I will be showing you guys very soon. So stay tuned for that. You guys don't want to miss out. I'm probably going to space these videos out by a week instead of 2 videos a week, so I don't run out of content, of course. But again, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on your bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.